because you're seeing water spots there. So therefore we're getting a breakdown in the outer layer there where water is getting behind there and causing water spots. What is up, YAE fam? It's your boy AB back with another DIY Wednesday video. Hey, I hope you're liking the content that you're seeing with the videos. Hopefully you're able to turn a wrench and do some things on your BMW or your car in particular. If you're liking the content that you're seeing, definitely go ahead and smash the like button. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And definitely share out the videos with your other friends and family that you feel will want to do some DIY projects on their car as well. As you can see by the thumbnail, we are getting ready to remove this emblem, and I'm gonna go ahead and take off this roundel here because you're seeing water spots there. So therefore we're getting a breakdown in the outer layer there where water is getting behind there and causing water spots. I have a couple of things here. Most cases when you see people talk about removing emblems, you hear them potentially talking about using dental floss. You can do that. In this particular case, this is not the original emblem that's on there, and I don't know if you see there's a lot of space back there. So I've got pretty good space behind there to work with. I'm going to work with my hands first, and then of course I got plastic removal tools or auto trim kit. There's this kit here, Amazon affiliate link below for you to get yours. And also we have a heat gun here. Hopefully I'm not going to use that, but in the case of removing OEM emblems, typically it is a little harder to get off. Therefore I've seen guys go ahead and use the heat gun, and then they're able to get behind with dental floss or whatever they're using to pull that off. Again, I think I should be able to work that by hand, and with this plastic removal tool, I'm probably going to get some kind of maybe a towel or something to sit behind there so that I don't potentially, even though it's plastic, don't potentially gouge at the paint. This I should be able to do by hand, but I'm probably going to need to pry with this as well, and I'll talk more about that here in a moment. But let's get that done, and I'll show you what that process is like. All right guys, so there you have it. Everything is off. In fact, here's the emblem that I had. Now the way this was made, it had double-sided tape on it, but if you can look, it is hollow. So I ended up having to put double-sided tape that I cut out and put back there. I'm actually getting ready to go to the car wash, so we're gonna rinse all of this off, get that off of there. Now what I was showing when I pushed in these grommets, these are actually, it's a little pliable, but they're kind of hard. When you get new roundels, you should get new, I forget what those are actually called, but they're little stoppers or whatnot for the actual hole in the trunk or hood. So you do want to get that so that it's pliable. These are actually, it's hard. I mean, they're pliable, but they're definitely hard. So you want to replace that with one that is a whole lot more pliable, more fresh. And then when you put the new roundel on, it secures itself inside the hole so that it stays on. So for now, we're going to be rocking with we're going to have the debadged E92 M3 for now. That's going to take care of the DIY for today. Very simple, very simple DIY. So hopefully that answers any questions for you as far as removing emblems and your roundel. Just go to your online stores that you may like to shop from, your ECS Tuning, FCP Euro, Mod Bargain, Amazon. You can find something. In the meantime, hey, thanks for watching. As always, thank you to my servicemen and women that are serving, my active duty members, my fellow veterans. Big salute to you all. You guys take care and keep driving.